I'd been having so much success lately landing largemouth, I wanted to catch some smallies for the team. 1 mile south of the Virginia border in central North Carolina, and a tributary to the Dan River.
Alright, water's low. Look at these beautiful ducks. I'm not sure what type these are. We'll have to look that up. We're gonna try right out here. Looks like a good spot to land some. What do you think? Isn't this a beautiful river, folks? Wow. Got something nice, a little smallmouth. Beautiful fish. Let's get him back. All right, beautiful smallmouth, about 12, 13 inches long. Here on the gorgeous Mayo River State Park. This is Angling Mill access, Angling Mill Bridge. This is on the Ozark jerkbait. I caught that nice smallmouth at Hanging Rock last year, that 19-incher on the yellow. So the Ozarks are great for smallmouth, a little lighter, a little more spastic with the motion. All right, let's get them back. Beautiful smallmouth. Let's let him catch his breath there for a second. Got him. All right. Smallmouth number 2. Whoa! Yeah, beautiful little smallmouth. Very bronze. It's a shout out to my PA, New Jersey fishing friends. Nice little smallie for you guys. Right, little fella. Team, I just caught my third bass. It's about 12, 13 inches of smallmouth. But as I was getting them, I slid off the rock and fell in about 3 feet. So we lost the bass and I got wet. Thankfully my keys didn't get wet. So there's our first for everything, isn't there? Be careful when you're fishing. Jeez. All right. I just hooked something pretty big. It was a nice, say, 2 or 3 pound smallmouth over there. Or some guy told me rainbow trout are in here, so it could have been one of those. But that's a beautiful sunfish on a jerkbait. Let's get them back. All right, we had a good time up here on the Mayo River. Caught a couple smallmouth, hooked 3. But hopefully we'll get some more next time. Welcome to subscribe. Y'all have a great week. Take care.